In a previous video we looked at factorising quadratic expressions where there's no number in front of the x squared. See, no number. These are straightforward. Since you've recognised it's a quadratic, it's an x squared term, x term and a number term, but double brackets with an x and x, because you know x times x gives you x squared. Now, what two numbers multiply together to give you positive 12, but when added together to give you positive 7? Or 4 times 3. 4 times 3 gives you 12, but does 4 add 3 give you the 7? Yes, so you can put the 4 and 3 here and here, or you can swap them around if you want. It doesn't matter. Right, same with this one. There's no number in front of it, so it's straightforward. Double brackets. What two numbers multiply together to give you 15, but when added together to give you 8? 3 and 5. 3 times 5 is 15, 3 add 5 is 8. So put the 3 there, put the 5 there, or you can put the 5 and 3 there, it doesn't matter. Right, it's been factorised. Right, these ones are fairly difficult to factorise, not so straightforward, because there's a number in front of the x squared term. See? Number with the x squared term. So how do we do this? Right, there's a quick way. I'll show you. First of all, the first rule is multiply the first number with the last number. 2 times 10, 20. Then to that middle number, the x term, the middle, that's a positive 9, put that down here. Now what two numbers multiply together to give you 20, but when added together to give you 9? It's 4 and 5. Let's see if that works. 4 times 5 is 20, but is 4 add 5 equal to 9? Yes, it works both ways. So now what we do, see this 2 that was giving us a problem? Put that down here and over here. Now simplify where you can. 4 over 2 can be simplified as 2 over 1. And that one can't be simplified. So remember to simplify wherever you can. Now the answer. For the answer, what you're going to do is, see these fractions? Right, work from bottom to top. Treat that 1 as a 1x and that 2 as was just positive 2. And that one there, treat the bottom one as a 2x and the top as just a 5. And that's the answer. If you expand this, you should get that. Right, let's do a slightly more difficult one with a negative. Step 1, multiply the first number with the last number. 6 times negative 6, negative wins. Now copy the middle number. The middle one is positive 5, so just put 5. Now what two numbers multiply together to give you minus 36, but when added together to give you 5, positive 5? Try 9 and minus 4. You need to check this out. 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. Works over there. But look, 9 add minus 4, or 9 take away 4. Is that 5? Yes, it works, so we'll keep that. Now look at this number that was bothering you, the 6 in front of the x squared. Bring it down over here and here. Now you've got to simplify. 9 over 6, I think you can divide by 3, divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's simplified. That can be simplified as well. 2 goes into 4 and 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So that would be negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Basically, I've halved these numbers to get 2 and 3. Now, to get the answer, look at the fractions. Look at the bottom number. Start with the bottom one. The 2 is actually a 2x. And that 3 at the top is just a positive 3. That there, that bottom number there, 3, treat it as a 3x, and that is negative 2. And if you expand this, you should get that.